Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix missing battery icons from Taskbar in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Taskbar. Click Taskbar corner Overflow. Turn on Bluetooth Windows Explorer. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Bluetooth. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure turn on Bluetooth, click Devices. Click More Bluetooth Settings. Make sure check Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area, click Apply, click OK. Fifth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Click Bluetooth Support Service. Change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.